My name is Kishore Chandiramani and I am a psychiatrist based in England. And today I am going to talk about relationships, the importance of relationships, and how do we understand relationships. Now let me ask you a question. There are two ways of understanding the relationship, or let's call it the default setting. One is that the togetherness is the default setting, and the other one is separateness is the default setting. Now let's look at the first one. Togetherness is the default setting. What I mean by that is that it is normal to experience togetherness in relationships, and if one feels separate, disconnected on his own or on her own, this is not normal. Now the other way of looking at it is that separateness is the default setting, and this is based on the assumption that we are all alone, we were born alone, we will die alone. Every relationship has its boundaries, and beyond those boundaries we are on our own. So that is the default setting of relationships. And when we see signs of true love, which also exists, selflessness, caring, affection, understanding, then that is a boon that sits on top of it. So if I were to ask you, which one would you say is the default setting? Some clients come and tell me that togetherness is the default setting, whereas others say that separateness is the default setting. Now let me explain the consequences of these two. If you see togetherness as a default setting, then you will see that as normal. You will take it for granted. And whenever you see signs of separateness or selfishness, that will hurt you. Now the other way of looking at it is that separateness is the default setting, that at the end of the day we were all alone, everybody is following their own life trajectory, and so it will not hurt you when you see somebody behaving in a selfish manner. But when you see signs of togetherness, true love, compassion, affection, that will make you happy. So what impact it's going to have on you, if you analyze deeply, you will find that accepting separateness as a default setting will be more helpful to you than seeing togetherness as a default setting. Thank you very much.